Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and tonight's video is about the nudge distance, in particular the super and micro nudge by using the shift or the control key. These are your nudge keys right here, your arrows on your keyboard. Now, if you don't have that set of arrows on your keyboard, then you can unlock your number lock and use your up and down arrow keys, 2 and 8 and 4 and 6. But normal keyboards now should all have that. So I thought I'd go over how to maybe set it up a little bit easier than going up to tools and changing. There's actually a quicker way. Let me get this over in the picture. If you will just click on your ruler with your right mouse button, ruler setup comes up. There it is right there. And there's your, it's in inches. There's your, well, let me set my nudge back to where I normally have it, 0.001. And that's where I keep it as a laser engraver to do some fine detail. But if we right click on the rulers, my super nudge, which is the shift key, is twice as much, and my micro nudge is half that amount. So if we take just a rectangle that's on the page, and I'm just going to nudge it 10 times. Well, tell you what, I'm going to make a duplicate of it. Control D and make a duplicate. And then I'm going to nudge 10 times with my normal nudge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see it barely moved. Okay. Now we're going to take, you know what, I'm going to take the original, I'm going to hold down the shift key and nudge it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It nudged it twice as far because that's what I've got it set at. The same thing if we take that and move it back to the corner, and I use my control key, and I'm going to nudge it 10 times. So it cut that distance in half. Now, there's a lot of times I wish my super nudge was more than double. So what you can do is go to your rulers and right click, and you can change this. Let's make it 10 times more than the nudge key. And then, of course, if you like that, you can go to Tools and save as default. Let's see how far it moves this time. Holding down the shift key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've nudged it. I let off the shift key, and then I can just nudge it minutely. I can hold down the control key and minutely really nudge it just a little bit at a time. I'm holding down the control key. Now hold down the shift key. Now not holding down anything, it'll nudge it back like 0.001. Nudges, to me, is one of the most important things, because when you change this, you can change it back. Like if I want to put this box in the top of the corner, and I want to nudge it over 5 inches, I can grab it and nudge it over 5 inches. But I can always go right back and point it 0.001. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.